Hello everybody, dear autism and dear viewers, welcome to this video. So I'm Avi Dedan from grade 10 at Margaret private school. So today me and my best friend Dedan, we are going to talk about ecosystem, and we made a project which is about ecosystem. Before I'm going to tell you some details about our project, my best friend Dedan will going to tell you what is ecosystem and what is abiotic and biotic factors.
Hello everybody, my name is Dedan. Today I'm going to tell you what's ecosystem. Ecosystem, a community of organisms, a biotic environment. Ecosystem consists of two factors, a biotic factor and biotic factor. For example, a biotic factor, temperature, soil and rocks. Well, biotic factor include animal, plant and other organisms.
An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals and other organisms with weather and landscape all work together to form a bubble of life, and all the factors of an ecosystem depend on each other either directly or indirectly. For example, changing temperature of plants affects an animal. If an animal affects on a plant for food and shelter, they have to adapt or move to another ecosystem. This is our model of an ecosystem with all its different habitats such as aquatic, desert, island and grassland, and a home for all different kinds of organisms.